Hey Dad, it's the 30th of December, almost at the end of the year. Let's do a quick garage update. So we've almost finished all the siding, as you can kind of see as we get inside here. So what we've done is, this wall's probably better. I've gone for a bit of a tile pattern, what you kind of can see in the tile. So I've done a bit of a subway tile. So I've cut the sheets down to a 2x8, and then I've basically gone and screwed those to the to all the studs. So looking over the top, it's all now almost complete. And then I've also done a little bit of framing around the window, a little bit of edging around the window. So I've kind of used the same MDO ply as a little bit of a framing, and then we've just continued all the way down. So it kind of gives you a feel that it's a little bit like a tank, that it's got armored plating all on the sides. So I've still got a couple little areas here to finish up, but overall it's been looking really good. So again, we've completed all the way up over the roof. There's a couple little sections up the top there. That's today's task, and then again just a little bit up around the fan to do. So it's getting all done. So just give you a look back towards the door. That's one couple little pieces there to go up. We're going to do a little bit of a pattern up and along the top, and I'll show you that when we get some more light. And then we're gonna come through and we'll do a paint on it all. So just a quick one. I'll give you a look when we're closer to finishing and we've got everything done. All right, thanks for watching.